Today we're looking at 15 pet gadgets that are so brilliantly designed, so genuinely useful, that they'll make you wonder how you ever took care of your pets without them. And I'm not talking about cute but useless toys. I'm talking about legitimate problem-solving products that make pet ownership easier, healthier, and more enjoyable for both you and your animals. Let's get into it. Number 15, the Furbo Dog Camera with Treat Dispenser. This pet camera does way more than just let you watch your dog. The 1080p camera provides crystal clear video of your pet. The two-way audio allows talking to your dog, calming separation anxiety. But here's where it gets genius: the treat dispenser launches treats on command from your phone. The barking alerts notify you when your dog is upset. The night vision works in complete darkness. The person detection alerts you if someone enters your home. The wide-angle lens captures entire rooms. Dogs quickly learn that the Furbo sound means treats are coming, creating positive associations with you being away. The treat capacity holds over 100 pieces. Number 14, the PetSafe Automatic Pet Feeder. This programmable feeder ensures your pets eat on schedule even when you're not home. The portion control dispenses precise amounts, preventing overeating. The scheduling allows up to 12 meals daily, accommodating any feeding routine. The slow feed option prevents dogs from gulping food too quickly. The stainless steel bowl is dishwasher safe and hygienic. The battery backup maintains schedules during power outages. The portion sizes range from 1/8 cup to 4 cups. The transparency allows monitoring food levels. The conveyor system prevents jamming with different kibble shapes. The setup is simple with clear instructions. This solves the problem of irregular feeding when your schedule changes or when you travel. Number 13, the ChomChom Roller Pet Hair Remover. This reusable lint roller removes pet hair from furniture without batteries or sticky sheets. The genius design uses a roller that captures hair inside a compartment. You roll it back and forth across surfaces and hair disappears. The built-in compartment collects the hair for easy disposal. No electricity needed. No refills to buy. Just pure mechanical brilliance. The effectiveness on couches and car seats is remarkable, removing embedded hair that vacuums miss. The durability is exceptional, lasting for years of daily use. The eco-friendly design eliminates waste from disposable rollers. The speed is impressive, cleaning a couch in under 2 minutes. The compact size stores easily. Number 12, the PetSafe Drinkwell Platinum Pet Fountain. This water fountain keeps water fresh and encourages pets to drink more. The circulating water stays cooler and more oxygenated than bowl water. The free-falling stream attracts pets who prefer moving water. The charcoal filter removes bad tastes and odors. The capacity holds over 1 gallon, reducing refill frequency. The adjustable flow control customizes water stream intensity. The replaceable filters last 2 to 4 weeks. The dishwasher-safe design makes cleaning simple. The quiet pump won't disturb light sleepers. Cats especially benefit from moving water, addressing the chronic dehydration many cats experience. The increased water consumption improves kidney health and reduces urinary issues. Number 11, the Bissell Pet Stain Eraser. This portable carpet cleaner handles pet accidents instantly. The cordless design allows cleaning anywhere immediately. The powerful suction removes stains and odors from carpets and upholstery. The formula specifically targets pet enzymes, eliminating smells at the source. The size is compact and lightweight, making it easy to grab when accidents happen. The battery provides 20 minutes of cleaning time. The tank capacity handles multiple accidents before refilling. The attachments reach into corners and crevices. The results are genuinely impressive, removing stains that seem permanent. The quick response prevents stains from setting, making carpets look new again. Number 10, the Whistle Geo Explore Pet Tracker. This GPS tracker attaches to collars, monitoring your pet's location constantly. The real-time tracking shows exactly where your pet is on your phone. The nationwide coverage works anywhere with cellular service. The escape alerts notify you immediately when your pet leaves designated safe zones. The activity monitoring tracks exercise levels, ensuring your pet stays healthy. The health tracking compares your pet to similar breeds, identifying potential issues early. The battery lasts up to 20 days between charges. The waterproof design survives swimming in rain. The size is compact and lightweight, not bothering pets. Lost pets create panic, and this gadget eliminates the terror by showing exactly where they are. The geofencing allows setting up safe zones around home and alerting if pets wander. Number 9, the PETKIT Pura Max Self-Cleaning Litter Box. This automatic litter box cleans itself after every use. The sensors detect when cats leave and initiate cleaning cycles. The sifting mechanism separates waste, depositing it in a sealed drawer. The odor elimination system neutralizes smells. The app notifications alert you when the waste drawer needs emptying. The safety sensors prevent operation if cats return during cleaning. The spacious interior accommodates large cats comfortably. The litter consumption is efficient using less than traditional boxes. The maintenance is minimal, requiring only waste removal every few days. The cleanliness is exceptional with fresh litter for every use. Cat owners know litter boxes are the worst part of cat ownership, and this gadget makes them nearly effortless. Number 8. The Kong Wobbler Interactive Toy. This treat dispensing toy provides mental stimulation while slowing down eating. The weighted bottom causes unpredictable wobbling as pets push it. The treat dispenser releases food, gradually rewarding persistence. The difficulty adjustment changes how easily treats fall out. The durable construction withstands aggressive chewing and batting. The dishwasher-safe design makes cleaning simple. The size options accommodate different dog sizes. The engagement level is high with dogs playing for extended periods. The mental stimulation prevents boredom and destructive behavior. The slow feeding prevents bloat and improves digestion. Fast eaters benefit enormously from the extended mealtime. The price under $20 makes this accessible to everyone. Number 7. The Neakasa Pet Grooming Kit. This vacuum-based grooming system captures 99% of pet hair during brushing. The multiple attachments handle different coat types and grooming needs. The vacuum suction pulls loose hair directly into a container, preventing it from covering your house. The noise level is surprisingly low, not scaring pets. The collection capacity is generous, requiring infrequent emptying. The grooming results are professional quality without expensive groomer visits. The savings add up quickly over time. The bonding time during grooming strengthens relationships with pets. The brushes are gentle, preventing skin irritation. The versatility handles dogs and cats of all sizes. This gadget transforms grooming from a messy chore into an efficient, pleasant activity. Number 6. The PetSafe Smart Door. This electronic pet door allows only your pet to enter using collar-mounted keys. The selective entry prevents neighborhood animals from entering your home. The app control allows locking and unlocking remotely. The activity log shows when pets come and go. The weather-resistant design seals against rain and drafts. The size options accommodate small to large dogs. The battery life provides months of operation. The installation is straightforward with clear instructions. The training period is short, with most pets learning within days. The freedom for pets to access outside without constant door duty improves their quality of life. The security, knowing random animals can't enter, is valuable. The curfew mode locks automatically at night. Number 5. The Petcube Bites 2 Interactive Camera. This pet camera combines video monitoring with treat tossing and laser games. The 1080p camera shows pets clearly from anywhere. The two-way audio allows communication, reducing separation anxiety. The treat launcher flings treats up to 6 feet, creating fun engagement. The laser toy entertains cats remotely, preventing boredom. The night vision works in darkness. The person detection alerts you to unusual activity. The sound and motion alerts notify you of pet behavior. The Alexa integration allows voice control. The subscription service adds features like video recording. This gadget transforms pet monitoring from passive observation to active play and training, even when you're miles away. Number 4. The iFetch Interactive Ball Launcher. This automatic ball launcher provides endless fetch for dogs who never tire of retrieving. Dogs quickly learn to drop balls in the top for launching. The launch distance adjusts between 10, 20, and 30 feet. The random distance variation prevents anticipation, keeping dogs engaged. The safety sensors prevent launching when dogs are too close. The rechargeable battery provides hours of play. The size accommodates standard tennis balls. The durability withstands outdoor use. The independence allows dogs to play without human participation. High-energy dogs benefit enormously from the constant exercise. Owners appreciate the break from endless throwing. Number 3. The Petcraft Supply Elevated Dog Bowls. These raised feeding stations improve posture, reducing neck and joint strain. The adjustable height accommodates different sized dogs as they grow. The stainless steel bowls are hygienic and dishwasher safe. The non-slip base prevents sliding during eating. The slow feeder bowl option prevents gulping. The tilted design angles food toward pets. The durability withstands years of daily use. The modern aesthetic looks good in homes. The health benefits are genuine, with improved digestion from proper eating posture. Large and senior dogs especially benefit from not bending to floor level. The versatility allows using your own bowls if preferred. Number 2, the Doggie Lawn Disposable Dog Potty. This real grass patch provides indoor bathroom facilities for dogs. The hydroponic growing system keeps grass fresh for weeks. The size options accommodate different dog breeds. The absorption system handles liquid, preventing leaks. The disposal is simple when grass dies. The training is intuitive as dogs naturally prefer grass. The apartment dwellers benefit enormously from this solution. The elderly dog owners avoid middle-of-the-night outdoor trips. The bad weather relief prevents muddy paws. The scent attracts dogs to use it consistently. The subscription service delivers fresh patches automatically. This gadget solves the bathroom access problem for dogs when outside isn't practical or possible. Number 1, the SureFeed Microchip Pet Feeder. This automatic feeder takes the top spot by solving multi-pet household feeding problems perfectly. The microchip or collar tag recognition ensures only the right pet accesses their food. The sealed bowl prevents food theft from faster eaters. The portion control helps weight management. The prescription diet feeding becomes possible in multi-pet homes. The training period is short with pets learning quickly. The battery life provides months of operation. The bowl is dishwasher safe. The quiet operation doesn't startle pets. The reliability is exceptional with consistent performance. Multi-pet households know the struggle of keeping pets from stealing each other's food, and this completely solves that problem. Special diet pets can eat separately without isolation.